everyone, welcome to Sacer Studio. This is Victoria.
Hello everyone, this is Jimmy. In our last studio, we talked about how we do for some navigation displays. So today we will just introduce how we develop an instrument cluster display just like this.
Okay. Sacer is a manufacturing company. If you check from our web page and our catalog, you will see various displays, and they are produced by us in the past 10 years.
Yes. So next, we will just explain our product development process in detail.
Okay. First, we will receive new requests from customer, and the customer need to offer us some detailed information about the product, including the photo, the instrument cluster, part number, the display part number, and the car, vehicle model, and year.
Yes, these are all the necessary information. After we got the product details, we will do some surveys towards our customer group to collect the yearly demands to say if that quantity could reach a batch production. As generally, a batch production require the MOQ around 1,000 to 2,000 pieces.
Yes, so that's why sometimes when we receive requests from our customers, but we finally didn't make it. It is because we have to do the evaluation on the annual needs and the technical feasibility.
Yes, after evaluation, if we confer it is a good item to do, we will just start in a new project and begin the simple design. At this stage, we will lead customer to send us a new original instrument cluster sample just like this, and two new original display sample like this, and both the two samples just need to be in good condition.
Okay. How long do you think we will spend making a new sample?
After we got these samples in around 1 to 2 months, we could release the sample, and we will have free one for customer to do test, and then we will collect the testing feedback.
Okay. So if the sample works perfectly, we will put it into batch production, and if it has any problem while the test, we will just keep improving it until it works same or even better than the original display.
Yes. How long do you think we will spend for making a new batch production?
Generally 3 months. Some clients may think it is a too long time, but here we'd like to explain. We strictly follow the APQP process, and we do the check and verification at each stage of the production to avoid the omission and mistakes. So by doing this, we promise to offer you the qualified product.
Yes. Currently, we have already 2 new displays in production stage. As we know, they are the Fiat and the Renault displays. These new displays are both the requests coming from our clients, and now we have made it.
Okay, so if you also have some new requests, you are welcome to propose to us. We are committed to developing and making new and valuable products for you.
Okay, thanks everyone. That's all today. That's all today's content. Thank you everyone.
Thank you.
See you next time.